I'm going to update my Ring video camera. I've got the front door. This one comes with a camera. It's supposed to be better seeing. An adapter plate. Various screws, bits and pieces. A screwdriver. Instruction books. And an adapter if I want to hardwire it straight into the fuse box, which I'll probably do at a later date. I won't be doing it this time. Instructions on how to do that. Back to the box. Different sizes, different languages, and what to do, so on. I am going to fit it with an adapter kit, plug-in socket, an instruction book what comes with it, the ring box with the thing, and adapters what just fit into the back like so to make it UK or European plug, and some screws. I'll come back to you when I've fitted it. Thank you. Down the side of the cable, when you're fitting this, that little ridge down on that one cable means it's negative. Do not connect it to the positive side. That is the negative wire, the one with the ridge.
So the doorbell is installed. We can see it's installed because the light is white, which threw me a little bit because I bought two identical bells. One from Amazon, which is this one, and the other one from Argus. But look, and it's been installed and it doesn't work. It doesn't make any noise. It doesn't do nothing apart from that. Any noise that comes through is my mobile phone from the app to say someone's at my door. But if you press it, there's, as you can tell, there's no noise. Kind of frustrated because once you take something and open it, it's not returnable anywhere unless it's faulty. But then when you install it and you can only see whether it's faulty once you've installed it, what am I supposed to do with this? Am I supposed to pay someone to come back out and remove it? Who pays back for my electrician? I mean, any advice would be really great.